am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed.
Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you for being here, and today's sponsor is Klaiyi Hair. So thanks to Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring this video. Let's see all the goodies that we received and the type of wig we are going to be installing. So this is it. Let's go inside. Okay, that's the wig. And of course we have goodies as usual. Brush, wig cap, edge band, just in case we want to use these, and we have the wig. So I believe now I see that it is a straight wig, a Yaki straight in 7x5 closure with a chestnut color. Okay, I wore a wig like this before and I was blown away with the texture and the color of it. So I'm so excited to wear this again. This is how the color looks. And it's also a drawstring wig, which is super versatile. I'll show you guys about the drawstring. As per usual, this is how it looks. All you have to do once it's on your head, it fits, you pull the string, and then this, you pull it all the way down. To release it, you take this up and you just pull the string up, and the wig is released. So this is a one wig fit all. Okay, this is how the lace is, 7x5. We are gonna go in and we are gonna, it's a pre-bleach lace, but I'm gonna go in. It also comes with a adjustable band, which you can definitely wear this wig glueless. But look at the color. I love the color. Okay, we're gonna get into this wig and stay tuned. Let me finesse and see. I might do a side part, so I'm gonna go in and fix the wig and I will be back. As you guys saw, or you're seeing, I did go ahead and made a side part of my head. Reason for that, I wanted to move a little bit fast and I wanted it to be so precise. If I did it on my head, I would burn myself. Okay, so let me show you guys the drawstring. The drawstring is around there. And this, I'm going to tuck it under. Tuck that part underneath. So this is how it looks. Secure. Perfect. Now we are going to go in with styling the wig, which I'm going to leave it for glueless because there's nothing needed, to be honest. And for the side,
Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. Oh, I know that there's more.
Alright, let's take out a little bit more.
Yeah. And I know that there's more than this. Hey, yeah.
Just because this part, I'm gonna cut it.
I pray for a new song, new day, new life, new season. Pray for the hope gone, restore, find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find hope, find strength, find freedom. I pray, yeah.
This can't be my forever. This can't be, no, this can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever. No, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I don't even have the words.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in. The first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna flat out the hair and we're gonna see how it looks with just the flat iron. So for me, I like to clip off the ends of the wigs so it's much more even. This type of hair can take up to 420, 150 degrees of heat. So you don't have to worry and wonder if we can use your curler or your flat iron. You definitely can. And also, it is Yaki. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. I love that about this hair. Once you straighten the hair, it stays that way. So that's what we're doing. I'm just going through, and you really don't need a lot because, like I said, because of the texture of the hair, it's already flat. So I'm just making sure everything is neat and straight. And then I'm gonna do a little bit more on the other side so you guys can keep on watching. You see that? Alright guys, this is the hair straight. Absolutely love it. And it is a side part. You guys saw I didn't have to do much. We're using the flat iron, but I love it. Look at that texture, the color. Amazing, okay? I want to show you guys around the back as well. Oh, it bothers. But I like it so much, so it's... Wow, this is how it looks.
That's what you are. I see shining, girl, you like a star. You be on your grind, you working hard. You and your whip got your own car. Look at God.
It is about your class?
You so amazing, no, don't get me started.
This side is dry. You see those curls? So stunning. And we still have some heat on this side, but now you guys see the vision of why I cut the hair.
Awesome. It looks like that's it.
Final part of the video. It is a side part, which I love. I rock a side part 2 weeks, okay? And now we're back with it, and this is a Yaki straight, and I did use a straightener to create these curls. They are so luscious, they are beautiful, and I just love it. The hair, the texture, the color, fit for the summertime. You guys will definitely like this. You see that? Even the lace, and trust me, it is glueless because we can test it. Everything is glueless. You can take it off, you can put it down. Absolutely love it. And I know you guys are seeing the color, how beautiful this is. The curls, look at that. So pretty. You see those curls? It's a chestnut color. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. Now, thank you to Klaiyi for sponsoring this video and sending over this beautiful unit, which I love. You guys need to make sure you check my description. The link will be there and you will get a discount, okay? So don't worry, I got you, girl. You'll get a discount with this wig, so make sure you click the link in the description. You can also do a middle part, so don't worry, you can do a middle part. It will look just the same because it's a 7x5 closure, okay? Before I go, I wanted to show you guys a up-close look of the closure. This is how it looks. Yes, it is very much realistic and it is snug to my head. I love it. The hairline is realistic and it looks like it's growing up my scalp. So this is how it looks. So pretty, right? Look at that. Yeah. And I told you guys it is glueless. See how perfect that is? It's the wig, the unit is 24 inches. I didn't say that, but buy again.
Mind on the loose, running freely. lose. It's not that easy. All the things I leave behind, living for another.